Good morning, Lester Middle School 6th graders. Let's dive into what we have this week. All right, so as always, we go to Schoolology, or Schoolology, the study of school. You log in using your Dodea student account, and you find the class that you have me with. All right, that's the teacher view. Let me view it as a student. Today I'll be Dominic. All right, so this is how a student sees this. So let's treat this like a checklist. We go here first for our assignments in the instructional video, which I'm making now. And let's see what we have this week. All right, the 11th through the 15th, and you are my A1B4 ELA 6th, the red apple. All right, so I hope you all are using this quarantine time to read, create, learn, and repeat, and not just things that your teachers have assigned you, but your own personal things as well. I know that I have, because like the time I'm not commuting or the time that I have now with my kids, we're doing those kind of things. So I hope you are too. All right, so again, treat this like a checklist. This week we have watched the instructional video, which I'm making now. I'll put the link there and once it's complete. Study your vocab words on the Quizlet link. A vocab quiz is coming soon. Hint, hint, hint. Read The Prince and the Pauper. It's on collections page 345 through 360. And then do the multiple choice for it. And then the concepts are the elements of drama. So this story is a play. It's set in a play format. It's a little bit different than reading a novel. All right, and then no homework. Of course, there's also the enrichment, free rice. You can turn that in, screenshot for in Schoology for 50 extra credits. And Nitro Type, practice your typing skills. You all are going to be fabulous typers and computer literate when we come back from quarantine because we've been having so much practicing. And then, of course, anytime, excuse me, I'm making a video. Can you calm your baby self down? Thank you. And then all these amazing free audiobooks. All right, miss you. Have a check-in to where we do the work. All right, so this week's work, study the vocab. Let's see, the PDF of it, and it was the pages 345 through 360. Let's go there. 345. There we go. 345. Thank you. Yes, you have a beautiful voice. Are you singing the Cinderella music? Are you? Oh, I'm so glad. Here we go. The Prince and the Pauper by Mark Twain, very famous American author. And he originally wrote it as a novel, but this has been dramatized, as in turned into a drama made for a stage, on the stage. And it's very interesting. So how many of you have heard of doppelganger syndrome? Here, my assistant. Have you heard of doppelganger syndrome? You have? Doppelganger syndrome is when it's the belief that somebody somewhere in the world at some point in time looked just like you or looks just like you, because there's a set number of genetic possibilities. So there would be like a repeat of said genetic likeliness. If you Google doppelganger syndrome, you'll get a cool bunch of stuff. Maybe you've met somebody who looks like you. Essentially, it's your twin who's not your twin, but they look just like you. So the Prince and the Pauper, Prince and this Pauper means poor person. They're not related, but they're doppelgangers. They look exactly the same, and they accidentally end up switching places. And so you have this poor, uneducated person as the ruler of the kingdom, and then you have this prince who gets to look at his kingdom from a much different perspective, from the bottom instead of the top of the hierarchy. Really good, funny, and has a lot of good lessons too. Yeah. Do you recommend it? I'm glad. All right. So, enjoy. So there's that, and then the we have the concepts, elements of drama. This will help you understand the different aspects and what drama is and how it's a little bit different than just reading a regular book. And then we have Google Meets, and I'll be in there really soon. All right. Have a great day, week.